We will have to hurry. The weather will be on us like a dark cat.
How will we tell Sir John this is all that's left of his family farm? The fire. It came. The fire. It came and it took...
Cut.
Sorry about that. No, I'm fine now, just totally fine. God, I'm sorry, Marcella.
Okay. It's fine, it's just I'm pulling a cart, you know. Maybe have a sip of water?
No, I think my character's a dry type of person, so...
Okay, reset everyone. We're gonna go again.
We will have to hurry. The weather will be on us like a dark cat.
How will we tell Sir John this is all that's left of his family farm? The fire, it came, and it took every...
Sorry, oh my God, I'm
Cut.
so sorry.
Maybe it's fine. Maybe a tiny sip of water though, just because it's a proper full cart. You know, it's meant to be pulled by a horse. It's fine though. It's fine. I'm just having a great time. Just happy to be here. So's this guy.
Marcella's got an acting job.
Oh, yes, she does, yeah. And it's the real McCoy. She's running around holding ducks and everything.
Ducks?
She turned up the other day covered in shite. It's method stuff. Like Daniel Day, he would hold his own ducks. The real actors hold the animals.
Yeah, great.
Right, well, I'll let you go, pet. And do let me know if you hear from Billy, right?
All right. Bye, Moira. Bye.
William.
I didn't hold the duck. The lead actress holds the duck. I pull a cart. Duck just shell me.
Yeah, I'll send Raven rockets in now.
This is great.
So, gentlemen, we're going to go for a wide because we're running a little bit behind on time, so just stay with me, OK? Thanks, guys.
These fucking hiccups every single day. Hiccups. What are we going to do?
Can we go with the hiccups?
No, of course we can't go with the hiccups. He's ruining everything.
I can't cure hiccups.
I understand you can't cure it, but I need some kind of support.
Sarah, you've got a massive spider in your cleavage.
What? No! Help! Get out!
No.
Help!
It's gone.
What?
It's gone.
It's inside me!
No.
Oh my God, it's inside me! It's inside... I can feel it. I can feel it in my vagina!
No!
I can feel it in my vagina! No. I can feel it in my vagina!
What's wrong with the vagina?
Sarah? There's no spider.
Come on, Sarah. Come on, Sarah.
A spider.
Legs.
Sort of
Legs. Legs. The legs.
It's gone now anyway.
Listen, come in,